today I'm trying this Mother's aluminum polish on old freight shaker paint. It's an old dusty old hood, dusty old paint. But I'll show you guys. You can see what it did right here. I mean, sure, yeah, it takes a little paint off. But would you have that or that? That's the cost it takes. I'll show you guys real quick. I'll put the camera down and do a little spot right here. You can already see. And then you just wipe it. I probably shouldn't even be doing this in the sunlight, but oh well. It's supposed to wax in the shade. Yeah, there it is. I got this for my rims, my aluminum rims. Figured I'd try it on the paint, why not? Can't get much worse than this. So, it's a tutorial. Mother's mag and aluminum polish. Figured I'd make another little clip. Doing this does last too. I did this door and this strip down here a couple weeks ago, just to see how it would turn out. I also did this door right here, and you can see the difference right there, what it does. Very clear. So I mean, it does take a little paint off, but I mean, shit, would you rather have old faded looking paint, trying to make what you got look good?